What's going on, folks? It is Valentine's Day, so hopefully things are going to be busy. I am starting later than I wanted to, but I did have to take my dog to the vet, and I got a haircut, and ran a few other errands, so by the time that was all done, it's now 6 p.m., but I'm getting out there. I did pick up a DoorDash shift. I was checking all day. No shifts available, but this one finally showed up, and it's a $3 bonus per order, I guess. So that's awesome. It's only like an hour and a half that I have the shift, so maybe I'll be able to extend it. Oh, look at that, I just got a stacked order. And if I can't extend it, then at least hopefully I get those couple of bonuses. So I'm heading to Little Caesars, plus $9.54. Yep, we're gonna take that too. I am gonna post this video probably tomorrow to try to keep it pertinent, you know, the day after Valentine's Day. I thought about editing and posting it tonight, but I figure no one's gonna be up that late viewing this type of video. So, without further ado, I'll see you after the deliveries. So I made that drop off for both of the pizza places, and it's 6:40. They were both super close by, which is awesome. After I did the second drop off, I got an order for like $6. I rejected that, and now I have a $10 order at Kebab House, which I'm about to go run in and pick up. We don't get peak pay a lot in my area, and obviously I don't DoorDash a lot because it's just hard for me to schedule. So I didn't realize the $3 bonus was already included in that offer. So I honestly thought that it was on top of that, which kind of stinks, but it's still decent money. And like I said, I only have the shift till 7:30. I've tried extending it, but that's as far as I've gotten so far. Hopefully, once it gets closer to the time to end, I'll be able to extend it. But I'm gonna run inside, grab that food real quick, because things are busy tonight. So that last order was a little rough, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. I had to wait like 20 minutes for the food to be ready. I just got a McDonald's order, and it made me think these sit-down restaurants might be a bit busy tonight, so it actually might be better for me to do fast food type of stuff. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully McDonald's is ready. Like I said, I usually have good luck at my McDonald's. Like, usually the food's ready or almost ready. I don't think I've waited at a McDonald's for food for more than like 3 minutes. So I'm going to run inside, grab this food, and get back to work because it's super busy tonight and I'm out here making money. I am just now getting to Panda Express. I have an UberEats order. It is 7:30, and after that McDonald's order, which went really well, by the way, the customer did give me a $4 cash tip, so shout out to them. But after that McDonald's order, it kicked me out, and then I got another shift opened up. I went in, grabbed it, so I currently paused DoorDash because if you don't head to the the restaurant right away, they cancel the order, your rating goes down, all that stuff. So I'm gonna run in, grab this food, turn DoorDash back on. It looks like it should be a close drop off. So I don't really know what happened, but it died. I mean, I didn't really get another order. So I ended up turning the apps off and went out and did some grocery shopping. That first hour and a half that I worked with DoorDash made $35.86. Dash Utility said it was $30 an hour. Plus I got a $4 cash tip. So that's what, like almost $40 right there. And then with UberEats, I just did that one delivery. $3.26. I did not get a tip, which stinks, but there's still time. She could still tip me. She seemed like a friendly customer, so I'm hopeful that it happens. I decided that I'm going to add this to my video from Wednesday because it was a pretty short video, so together it should be pretty good. But hey, it's Valentine's Day. People ordered dinner early, I guess, and now they're at home hanging out with each other. I hope everybody had a really nice Valentine's Day. I'll see you next time. Peace. What's up, everybody? It's 5:25 p.m. and I'm about to start delivering. I don't have any shifts scheduled, so I just have the apps on. I'm hoping to get some orders soon. It should be a decent night, I'm hoping. I know last night was pretty good, so we'll see what happens tonight. I just went with my wife to drop off something that she crafted for someone and was doing the exchange. So now I have dropped my wife and son back off at home, and I'm about to start delivering. Right now I just have UberEats and Postmates on. If it's like 5 minutes and I'm going to drive to like a hot spot, once I get there, if I do not get an order, I'll then also turn on Grubhub. I just checked DoorDash a few minutes ago, and sadly I don't have any shifts open to me right now, but maybe something will pop up. And then too, I got a text from UberEats today saying that tomorrow, February 13th, so the day before Valentine's Day, is supposed to be super busy. Between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. Please be sure to log on, type of thing, if you want to make some money. And I'm like, that doesn't really make sense to me, but okay. I checked the promotions, there wasn't anything different, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. But stay tuned. I hope tonight is a good night. I just got my first order of the night. It's with Uber Eats for Chicken Shack. I'm only 3 minutes away, so I'm heading there now. It's 5:40, so it did take me about 15 minutes or so to get an order. Not too bad. I hope now that I got that first one done with, it's easy sailing the rest of the night. But if it's a slow night tonight, I'll just go home early. No big deal. But I will see what happens. Shiki Sushi! It seems like every time I'm in this part of town, I get a pickup from here. I mean, it's a pretty busy place. The last drop-off went really well. Food took a few minutes at the restaurant to pick up, but the drop-off, the person met me in their driveway, so that was super awesome. I'm hoping the food is ready here, but so far Uber Eats seems pretty busy tonight, so that's a good thing. Like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. I'm going for 4 likes. I just got a new Uber Eats order. This one's for Dairy Queen, which I'm pretty close to. So things have been steady. I mean, literally I dropped off that last order maybe 5 minutes ago. And then I drove to the nearest hotspot location. I mean, it's not like a hotspot, but it's my area that I go to because I know there's quite a few restaurants over here. And I literally pulled into park, and as I put my car into park, an order popped up for Dairy Queen, which is super awesome because, like I said, usually they punch my card. I'm like 1 or 2 away from a free, wow, what's Dairy Queen sell? Free, I want to say Blizzard, that's it. 1 or 2 punches away from a free Blizzard, so I'm super excited about that. And depending on who's working, they give you a free drink, so that's awesome too. But I know that Uber Eats is not a lot of people's favorite app to deliver with. If you are a delivery driver, do you like Uber Eats? If so, why do you like it? And if not, why don't you like it? What caused you to say, you know what? I only want to use DoorDash, or I only want to use Grubhub or Postmates, or do you just use them all? I know personally, I think Uber Eats is the easiest app to use, and it's nice as an advantage over Postmates since you get that same day tip. But the downfall to me is you don't really know a true delivery distance. I know they made some changes, so it's a little better than what it was, but I don't know. And they don't give you a hot bag, which I think stinks. I think they should give you a hot bag for Uber Eats. Anyways, let me know your thoughts. I just got to Dairy Queen, so I'm going to run inside, grab this food real fast, and keep the night rolling. I just got an order through Grubhub for the folded pie. It's an order and pay, so I guess I'm going to accept it. Let's give them a call.
by. We are either closed or with a customer at the moment, but if you could leave a detailed message, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We are open Tuesday through Saturday, 11 to 8, unless there is a hockey game. We will close 1 hour early at 7 p.m. on those dates.
Interesting. Let me check if there's a hockey game going on. Yep. So they're closed. Cool. Alright. So I'm sitting here trying to cancel that order and pay through Grubhub, and I just got an Uber Eats order for Arby's, which is literally right there. I could walk to it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to drive over since I like to have my car near the restaurant. I think it's just safer, easier. So I'm going to go do this Uber Eats order and hope I can get this Grubhub order canceled since they are closed early for a hockey game. So I just got home. I only ended up staying out for 2 hours. It was kind of slow. I mean, I did 4 orders, so that's not terrible. But with Uber Eats, it's not the best because, as you know, it's usually close orders, low pay. 2 of them were actually pretty far orders and decent pay, so I managed to do all right, and I did get 2 tips so far. But it's nothing crazy, so I was like, I'm just gonna go home. So I made $28.29. Like I said, there's still the possibility for 2 other tips.